Welcome back, everybody. Today, the 11th. March, April. Tax day's coming up. I wonder if the wife's got the taxes done yet. I guess we'll find out. April 11th. I'm rocking the old F3. This is just a nice, easy road. Yeah, you're gonna see me. I discovered that I can't tell when this new camera's on, so I stopped. Turn the camera on here to look at this. It works. And then you get to watch me, watch you, watch everything. Hopefully that sun is not as in the way as I think it is. This road should take us away from the sun, maybe. Yeah, so April 11th. Gotta love it. I was informed that I was changing after work and going for a ride because, you just have to ride, and it's so gorgeous out. I am dressed too heavy. I'm very warm, but I'm riding in this beautiful back road. I just came off of a road, Buena Vista. I would say that is the most dragon-like road I have been on besides the Tail of the Dragon. So I think what I'm going to do is sometime next week is run down it one more time. It's been a long time since I've been on it, and I was a little wonky at first. But yeah, this is just yet another beautiful backcountry road. Beanie Boy, look. No traffic. It's the only way to be when you're riding these beautiful back roads. So, and I'm assuming that there are roads all around the world that are named that draw people to them. Like here in the States, we have the Tail of the Dragon, Devil's Triangle, Chahalo. I probably didn't get that right. Speedster Johnny, you can correct me. Here in Ohio, we have Triple Nickel, 555, and I kind of I don't know, I really like a road that is named like the Tail of the Dragon, to where maybe the adventure is actually the road, not getting there. But anytime you leave Ohio and you head south, it's just an adventure, and I love every part of it. Go ahead and drop this bad boy. First gear? Yeah, first gear. What a beautiful little creek up here. If I was on the White Spider, I'd stop and stand up. I don't know if we can look over good enough. It's just a little baby creek. Super clear water. Look at that. Isn't that just picture perfect? Picture perfect. Smoky Mountains. Just miniaturized. Love it. Love it down through here. What do we got? We got the Twisted Sisters in Hill Country in Texas. Norm, I think I don't know if you've been out that far or not. I think you've been into the Hill Country, but I don't know if you've gone out that far to the Twisted Sisters. I don't know. But I not only do I like the road, like Tail of the Dragon, I love the road. It might not be the best road ever to ride. I mean, Chahalo is a nice relaxing road, the Blue Ridge Parkway, but what the Dragon represents and what it does and who all shows up. Not only do you have every type of motorcycle out there, but then you get sports cars, and it's just very cool being able to walk through Deal's Gap and looking at all the bikes, and Killboy's place where they the sports cars kind of hang out because their parking lot's set up for it. It's just I just absolutely love it. Little bitty baby wood sawmill. There we go. I'll get it out. I will, I promise you. And then what we're doing is we're coming into Hideaway Hills. No, Hocking Hills. And they're just hills. But they there's some awesome riding to be had down here. Look at this big old turn, not paying attention. I'm almost not paying attention enough to where that was a little surprising. Oh, and then look at this. Not only are we turning left, but we're dropping down. Is this off camber? Not as bad as most of them. Yeah, there we go. Oh, off camber there. Big time. So I'm hoping shortly, I don't know what shortly means. I really got to get that white spider set up so I don't have to worry about it. It's crazy that I don't think the white spider's unlimited by no means. And I love my spider, and I mean, you know, I got to tweak it to where it's this. You know, this thing has just been rock solid. I hop on it and I go. The white one, you know, it needs a little bit of love. So I need to get that all fixed up so I can get out there and ride. Because that's what I want to do. I just want to ride. Okay, people, get out of my way. Oh, there's 3 cars coming. Can we beat them? What is it, an F-150? Oh yeah, we got plenty. We got plenty. I can just poke on out nice and easy like. I'll tell you, this clutch, it is something on this left hand. You know, the more that I fall apart, the more I like the SE6, the standard, I'm sorry, the electronic shift. If it wasn't for my poor hands, I would definitely, this thing is just, I love it. I love it. It's super simple. You know, you don't have all the other things to break. The V-twins, like, oh, my music just kicked on. What is that? Is that a Sasquatch? Let's see if I can, it's Sasquatch with bunny ears. Okay, the V-twins. How the V-twins worked was they had weights, centrifugal force that would spin. Those weights would drive out, and as those weights drove out, it would put more pressure, you know, on the clutch to keep that clutch packed together. That's why on those you had to shift over 4,000 RPM, because below 4,000 RPM that clutch wasn't fully engaged, so it could slip. Anytime your clutch slips, you can have premature wear, heat, you know, all the bad stuff. Now I don't know when they changed it. Probably when they went to the 1330. So if you have a 1330, it's different. I think it's hydraulic now, and I want to see if I can find a video on it. Black Phoenix Entertainment, he asked to make me, if I could make a video of how it works. I gotta find a little bit more information, but I think this is more hydraulic. Not this one, the one on my white spider. It's more hydraulic because you can feel, you know, at 2,500 RPM, that thing's already, you know, locked up and it's ready to go. Let's go ahead and walk away from that Chevy back here. There we go. Put a little bit of distance on us. Come on, dude, don't do this. Don't need to worry about it on the spider. Just blow right through all the grass. Yeah, this thing is fantastic. And I'm gonna get the white spider just as fantastic as this thing, to be honest with you. It just takes me a lot longer to do things. Like something that should take me 15 minutes sometimes can take me a day or two. So it's really hard to do a how-to video to where it's actually something that's worth watching. But I got the repair manual for the white spider, so the first thing I'm gonna do is we're gonna set some tow on the front of that thing, and then once that thing is ready to go, I gotta set tow and look at the brakes. 20,000 miles, and I have to look at the brakes because I might have to replace them for the second time. Disappointing, but you know, it is what it is. Get that corrected, and then we can get a place cleaned up in the shed, I think, for this. And we're gonna put this thing up on a jack, and the first thing we're gonna do is, you know, if you're bringing your motorcycle out for the spring, what are the things you need to do? You know, so we're gonna air filter, oil change, you know, look at tires, look at brakes, replace the back tire. If you saw how bald this back tire was, it is bald. So that's a lot of rambling. I mean, we've talked about awesome roads with names that I like to go visit. I hope you like to go visit awesome roads with names. You know, we talked about the differences between the SM and the SE series transmissions. One's got a clutch lever, the other one's got the little paddle shifter bull crap. Oh, that was kind of broken. We've talked about me being broken and what I need to do to both of my spiders. So hopefully you like this video. Rambling. Hopefully this thing is still on. You know, we'll see when I go to edit all this. Shout out to Sean Smoke. You know, I think a lot of people in the spider community watch Sean Smoke. You know, he had a stroke a few weeks back, and I hope he, I think I saw a video pop up today that he's already back to work. You know, I wish the guy all the best and hope he can get back to normal as soon as possible. So on that, I'm gonna let everybody go. Big old thumbs up if you like the video. Stay safe. Say hi to the moo cows. Hey moo cows. I'll see you down the road.